Hello again, we are the OMIs, and this is our 8th Arduino project, Detecting Vibration. This project uses a vibration sensor to detect movement or shaking, and it gives us a visual output using an LED. Our group members are Lira Mark Christian, Tardio Mark Vincent, and me Mojica Denver Jan. Together, we set up, wired, and coded this vibration detecting project. Vibration detection systems are used in alarms, earthquake sensors, and industrial machines. They help identify unusual movements that may indicate danger or mechanical issues. With Arduino, we can easily detect vibration using a vibration switch sensor. For this project, we use one Arduino Uno board, one breadboard, one LED, one 220 ohm resistor, one vibration sensor, jumper wires, and a USB cable for programming. In our circuit, the vibration sensor is connected to pin 2 of the Arduino, and the LED is connected to pin 13 through a resistor. The sensor outputs a high signal when it detects vibration, which we use to control the LED. Our code reads the vibration sensor's digital signal and lights up an LED if vibration is detected. Here's a video of us wiring the vibration sensor, connecting the LED, and uploading our program. And here's the final output. And that's all. Thank you.